Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
Hello, Charles. Hi, everyone. I am so excited to be here talking with you today.
Me too, Rachel. How has your week been so far?
It has been really good, actually. I tried a new coffee shop yesterday.
Oh, yeah? What did you think of it?
Well, in my opinion, the coffee was just okay, but the music was great.
That happens so often. At least you enjoyed the music.
Exactly. But Charles, what I just did right there is very important for our listeners.
What do you mean?
I used the phrase, in my opinion, to tell you how I felt about the coffee shop.
Oh, you are totally right. And that is exactly our topic for today's episode.
Today, we are going to teach you how to express your opinion in English.
Sharing your thoughts is how you make friends and how people get to know the real you.
But I know a lot of English learners feel nervous about giving their opinion.
That is very true. Sometimes it is scary to speak up in a new language.
You might worry about making a mistake, or you might think you don't have the right words.
We have all been there, but we're going to show you some simple, easy phrases you can use every day.
Let's start with the most basic phrase of all.
The easiest way to share a thought is just to say, I think.
Yes, I think is perfect for almost any situation.
You can say, I think English is fun.
Or you can say, I think dogs are the best pets.
I completely agree with that one. Dogs are wonderful.
But what if you want to say something negative, Charles?
In English, we usually add don't to the beginning. We say, I don't think.
Right. We say, I don't think it will rain today.
Notice that we don't say, I think it will not rain.
Exactly. I don't think sounds much more natural to American ears.
Charles, what do you think about getting up early in the morning?
Oh, I don't think it is a good idea at all. I love to sleep in.
I knew you would say that.
What about you? Do you like waking up early?
Actually, yes. I think the morning is the best part of the day.
That is a great example. You just shared your opinion, and I shared mine.
And it was so simple. Just I think and I don't think.
Now, let's look at the phrase I used at the beginning of the episode.
You mean, in my opinion?
Yes, that is a very polite and common way to start a sentence.
It really is. In my opinion, learning English opens many doors.
That is a beautiful sentence, Charles, and it is so true.
Can we use this phrase at the end of a sentence too?
For sure. You can easily say, the movie was great, in my opinion.
It works at the beginning or at the end. It is very flexible.
Another similar phrase is, to me.
Oh yeah, I use that one all the time. To me, family is everything.
Yes, to me means the exact same thing as in my opinion.
But it is a little shorter and feels very relaxed.
Americans love short and relaxed phrases.
Can you use to me if we are talking about food?
Let me think. To me, chocolate ice cream is better than vanilla.
I love that. To me, vanilla is much better.
We always have different opinions about sweets, Charles.
But that is what makes conversation interesting.
Okay, what if you have a very strong opinion about something?
Like when you are absolutely sure about your idea?
Exactly. Sometimes I think is just not strong enough.
In that case, I love to use the phrase, I really believe.
Oh, that is a great one. I really believe you can learn English.
That shows a lot of confidence, and it sounds very supportive.
You can also say, I am sure.
Yes, I am sure we will have a great time at the party.
When you use these words, people know you are very serious about your thought.
Do you ever use the phrase, I strongly feel?
Sometimes, yes, usually in more serious situations, like at work.
Right. I strongly feel we need to change our plan.
It is good to have these strong phrases in your vocabulary.
Strength is needed, but remember, it is completely okay to have a soft opinion too.
Absolutely. You do not always have to be totally sure of everything.
Speaking of sharing ideas, we love hearing what our amazing listeners think.
We really do. You all have such wonderful ideas and stories.
What is your opinion on practicing English with movies?
Drop your thoughts in the comments below and try starting your sentence with to me or in my opinion.
And while you are scrolling down, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
It helps us bring these free lessons to you every single week.
Plus, share this video with a friend who might need a little English boost today.
Thank you all for being so supportive. Now let's talk about agreeing with people.
Yes, agreeing is a huge part of everyday conversation.
It is very simple to do. The most basic way is just saying, I agree.
If you say, I think it is cold today, I can say, I agree.
Are there other short phrases we use a lot?
Oh, definitely. I use words like exactly or absolutely all the time.
Me too. Exactly shows that you completely understand the other person.
Another really nice phrase is you are right.
You're right makes the other person feel really good about their idea.
Everyone loves to hear that they are right.
It is so true. Sometimes I also just say, for sure.
For sure is very casual. It is perfect for hanging out with friends.
What if you want to agree, but you also want to talk more?
You can say, I agree, and I also think.
Perfect. I agree the food was good, and I also think the price was cheap.
Exactly. You agree first, and then you build on their idea.
Okay, Charles. We talked about agreeing, but what about disagreeing?
Oh, disagreeing can be tough. Many learners tell me they're scared to disagree.
I understand that. You don't want to sound rude or make someone mad.
Right. In English, we try to disagree very softly and politely.
We usually don't look at someone and say, you are wrong.
No, that is way too direct. It might start an argument.
So, how can we disagree without hurting feelings?
A wonderful phrase is, I am not sure about that.
Oh, I love that one. It is incredibly soft and respectful.
Yes, if you say, I think winter is the most beautiful season.
I would say, I am not sure about that, Charles. I prefer spring.
See, that was perfectly polite. You just shared a different view.
What about the phrase, I see your point?
That is a great phrase. It tells the person that you are listening to them.
Right. I see your point, but I think summer is much better.
It shows respect first before you give your opposite opinion.
Another simple way is to just say, I disagree, but...
Adding, I am sorry at the front makes it even softer.
Like, I'm sorry, but I have to disagree with you.
Exactly. It keeps the whole conversation very friendly and calm.
Charles, do you ever use words like maybe when you give an opinion?
Oh, all the time.
Americans use soft words constantly in conversation.
Like, I think maybe we should head home now.
Yes, the word maybe makes your opinion sound less bossy.
We also use kind of or sort of a lot.
We really do. I kind of like this new song.
It means you like it a little bit, but you are not totally sure yet.
Why do you think we use these softeners so much, Rachel?
I think it helps keep people relaxed. We don't want to force our opinions on anyone.
I completely agree. It gives the other person space to share their thought, too.
Exactly. If I say, I kind of like this movie, you can easily say you don't.
Right, but if I yell, "This is the greatest movie ever," it is hard to disagree.
Soft words make the conversation a safe space for everyone.
Now let's talk about choosing things. How do we share our favorite option?
You mean like expressing a preference between two things?
Yes. Let's say we are choosing between drinking tea or coffee.
The easiest word to use there is prefer.
I prefer coffee. It is so simple, clear, and easy to remember.
Exactly. You can also say, I prefer coffee to tea.
The word to connects the two choices together.
Can we use the phrase would rather to do the same thing?
Oh yeah, would rather is super common when Americans speak.
I would rather drink tea right now.
Notice that we don't use the word to with would rather.
Right. We say, I would rather drink tea than coffee.
Why is it so important to know how to share a preference, Rachel?
Because friends always ask you, where do you want to eat? Or what should we do today?
And if you don't speak up, you might eat food you really dislike.
Exactly. It is always okay to tell people what you like.
It helps your friends plan better, and it makes everyone much happier.
You know, some learners tell me they just agree with everything someone says.
Really? Why do they do that?
Because they are afraid. They think if they disagree, they will make a grammar mistake.
Oh, I see. They choose to stay quiet instead of trying to speak.
Exactly. It is much easier to just nod your head and say yes.
Listeners, we really want you to know that your voice is important.
Even if your grammar is not perfect yet, we want to hear your thoughts.
Yes, step by step, you will feel more comfortable talking.
If you make a small mistake while giving your opinion, it is completely okay.
Native speakers make mistakes all day long.
We really do. I trip over my own words all the time.
The goal is connection, not perfection. You have to believe in yourself.
Absolutely. People are listening to your beautiful ideas, not grading your grammar.
So the next time you talk to a friend, try using "in my opinion."
Take a deep breath and just say it. You will feel so proud of yourself.
And every time you do it, you lose a little bit of that fear.
Charles, we talked a lot about sharing our own opinions. What about asking others?
Oh, that is a fantastic point. Conversation is always a two-way street.
Exactly. We can't just talk about ourselves for an hour.
Right. The easiest question to ask is simply, "What do you think?"
That is a classic. What do you think about this new book?
What if we want to use the actual word opinion?
We can ask, what is your opinion on this?
Perfect. What is your opinion on the new work schedule?
Another natural question is, how do you feel about it?
Oh yeah, Americans love asking how people feel about things.
It makes the conversation feel very warm and personal.
Asking questions is also a great trick if you need time to think.
Yes, if you don't know what to say, just ask the other person.
It works every single time, and it keeps the English flowing.
It shows that you care about their thoughts, and that makes you a great friend.
Wow, we covered a lot of really great phrases today.
We definitely did. Let's do a quick recap for everyone to review.
Sounds good. First, we learned the basics. I think and I don't think.
Then we added the phrases, in my opinion, and to me.
We also talked about agreeing by saying, I agree, or exactly.
And disagreeing politely with, I am not sure about that.
Finally, we learned to ask others, what do you think?
Keep these phrases in your pocket and try to use them every day.
You will sound so natural, and you will feel much more confident speaking.
I think it is time to bring these words to life. Let's do a quick practice conversation.
This is always my favorite part. Listeners, pay attention to how we use today's phrases.
Ready? Let's pretend we are planning a weekend trip for our group of friends.
Hey, Rachel, what do you think about going to the beach this weekend?
I am not sure about that, Charles. The weather forecast looks a little cold and rainy.
Oh, you are right. I didn't check the weather at all.
In my opinion, going to a nice indoor museum in the city would be better.
I see your point, but I kind of want to spend time outdoors.
That makes sense. What is your opinion on hiking in the state park?
I absolutely agree with that. Hiking sounds like a lot of fun.
Great. To me, the mountains are beautiful this time of year.
Exactly. I prefer the mountains to the city anyway.
Awesome. I really believe we will have a fantastic time.
And scene. That was a great little chat.
See how easy it is to share ideas and agree on a plan?
You can do this in your everyday life too. Just take it one sentence at a time.
And remember, your opinion is interesting. Don't hide it from the world.
Well, that is all the time we have for today's episode.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us and practicing your English.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to leave a comment. We really want to know what you think.
Keep learning, keep speaking up, and remember, you can do it.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
See you next time, friends.